Tech opened, and I'm here to show you a case that I got from my Xiaomi Pro 15-inch laptop. It basically comes with this pack that I bought. Actually comes with the casing itself. This has this textured like bump effect, as you can see. I don't know if you can see that clearly in the video. And it also comes with this little case. The pack that I bought came with this little case where you can put your charger or like an external hard drive to protect it. And yes, I actually got this with also with the backpack that I'm going to show you in another video. You can check that out as well. I only bought this like for days that I don't want to take the backpack with me. I want something a little bit more compact, but I can actually, take this under my arm, more compact to be more practical. But I also bought this to put my laptop in and then get this inside my backpack. So it's extra security, extra protection. It's not that it's really needed, because the backpack itself has its own like cushion area that's proper for the laptop, but I wanted extra protection, so I got this as well. And yeah, so it's basically let me just give you the size of this so you can have an idea. So on the lengthwise, I would call it at 40 centimeters. It's 40 centimeters long. And in terms of height, it's around 30. And you can see how thick it is. Like so. Let me just measure this to show you better. So squished together, it's around 35 millimeters, I guess. 30 millimeters to 35. And you have this zipper, this dual zipper, so it zippers like so. And on the inside, I don't know if you can see in the video because it's kind of dark, it has a really soft texture here, like a velvety, really soft texture to protect your laptop from scratches. And there are no pockets inside, it's just this cushioning. It's perfect, as you can see. And this gives you really good protection. It's really, this is kind of rigid to soft. So if you were to drop your laptop in this, it'd be pretty well protected. In terms of the of these little corners and stuff, there's not like a super extra protection. It's soft to rigid as well. But I guess if you let it drop like on a corner like this, I don't know to what extent it would protect the laptop or not, but it seems to offer pretty good protection, guys. I wanted to show you with this because to show you the limit, the stretch of this. Okay, so this one measures 38 centimeters by 25 by 38 millimeters high, thick. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this fits in this particular protector. So as you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a tight squeeze, but it's in. So it's well protected. This is perfect. I love this case. See, it's really well protected. In terms of the corner's pretty protected as well. As you can hear that, it will protect the laptop. Just don't drop it from like a height, because I don't know how well protected it is with this. It is to a certain extent. Okay. And now to show you the other casing that comes with it, it's similar. I think it has the same protection inside. Yes, it has the same cushioning inside. I don't know if you can see in the video. So it has this really soft texture. This is really soft, so perfect for avoiding scratches, and it also cushions. And I don't know if at the time of this I upload this video if you're going to be able to get the same kit which comes with both items, but you know, maybe you can buy them in separate. I don't know. I'll have to see that when I link the item in the description. So this measures 16 centimeters by 13, and it's around 1.5 centimeters high, thick. I mean, sorry. So it's basically this. And I'm guessing that with this laptop it won't fit in the compartment of my backpack, because you know, with the Xiaomi Pro it fits pretty well. You know, if I stick the laptop inside this and then inside the bag, well, the backpack, it'll fit. But since this one is so thick, I don't think it's gonna fit. But this is just to give you an idea of what this particular case is like. And yeah, so this is basically it, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. And if you want to get the videos firsthand, don't forget to hit the notification bell. And check out my other videos as well, including the one of the backpack that I'm going to show you. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.